Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A52. So let's get started and open your Google application. Then tap on More in the bottom right corner, choose Settings and then pick Google Assistant. Now you have to find General Settings right there and then just simply disable Google Assistant. The winner of your assistant will no longer respond when you say, "Hey Google, also assistant features that help with your personal info like ambient mode and snapshot won't be available." And if you're okay with that, just simply confirm your choice by tapping on turn off. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.